Okay, so we are going to start our new build series coming from this box. As you can see, it's already been opened, so let's start opening the box. And this box came from, and it is the Brutal Fang. This is our Defender version 6 Brutal Fang, and as you can see, it's perfectly sealed, and nothing has been opened. So let's go ahead and start. Let's open this big box. Let's go. Okay, so I got the fix for our box, and we are going to build this boxes, this Blokees box, and we are going to start with this one. And as you can see, it is a Megatron from Beast Wars on the packaging, and it doesn't have any cover anymore, plastic cover. So let's go ahead and let's start building. Let's go. Okay, so we are going to open the box, but before we open the box, just want to show you who are the characters that we are going to get. We got the special armor type, the Optimus Prime, Optimus Primal, and Beast Wars Megatron. Both of them are from Beast Wars. So we got the Special Galaxy, Optimus Primal, and Megatron. The regular Optimus Primal and Megatron. We got Cheetor, we got Astro Train, we got Ultra Magnus, which we opened previously in the earlier episodes. We got the Special Galaxy Rodimus Prime, Perceptor, we already got that one. Megatron in his T-Rex form, Optimus Primal in his Gorilla form. We are looking forward on getting these two, Vortex and Blastoff, and also the Dinobot Snarl, the Stegosaurus. So let's open the box. And yeah, this is on the bottom. And also possible that on this next coming videos, we may need to rearrange rather our setup. As you can see, it's a little bit cramped, so yeah, let's go ahead and get and open this box. Our Blokees, our silica gel, and who is it going to be? And okay, we got the early box for our what do you call this, for our Bruticus build. We got Vortex, so he is the left arm of Bruticus, and we got already Swindle, Onslaught, and Brawl. So we already got 3. He is the 4th one. Lucky we got that one. So let's go ahead and let's start building this. Let's go. Okay, so we got Vortex already built. He is in his vehicle mode. Well, most of them are in vehicle mode because they form Bruticus, the huge combiner bots from the Transformer series. So yeah, let's try to fix this one. There you go. Just yeah. So in G1, which is this character, Vortex is a sadistic unhinged interrogator for the Decepticon subgroup known as Combaticons. He transforms into a military helicopter and he forms the left arm of the giant combiner robot Blokees, and he is the interrogator in the Combaticons. Combaticons, by the way, is led and recruited by Starscream, and he he takes terrifying joy in extracting secrets from the captive Autobots. His interrogation method, he is famous for Mr. Vortex wild ride, trapping the captured Autobots in his cargo hold or lifting them up with his rotor wind funnels to spin, twist, and terrorize until they break. So Vortex and other Combaticons were originally a Decepticon criminal whose minds were saved as mere personality components. Desperate to overthrow Megatron, Starscream stole those personality chips and implanted them into abandoned World War II era military vehicle. And these vehicles instantly transformed and reformatted themselves into Megatron. That's why I told you earlier, they were recruited by Starscream, the Combaticons. So that's it for this build series. We are down to 11 Blokees box from the Defender version 6. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you could be updated for our latest episodes. And that's it for today. See you guys next time. Peace.